Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to fix WhatsApp backup issue. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button, and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all, so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. Follow these instructions very carefully. First of all, you have to click on these three dots. Click on settings, and then you have to click on chats. Scroll down, click on chat backup. Click on backup. Here you will see this kind of error. You have to minimize this one. Go to your phone settings. Click on apps, and then you have to scroll down. Go to WhatsApp. Click on permissions. Now you have to allow all the denied permissions. You have to allow these permissions one by one. Click on camera, click on allow, and then you have to click on files and media. Click on allow access to media only, and then click on location, and then click on microphone, and then the last permission SMS. About that permission also, right now you can see denied, no permission denied. So we have allowed all the permissions. Now you have to minimize this one. Open WhatsApp again, and then you have to select backup to Google Drive. Click on daily. You have to click on backup to. Now you have to select your Gmail account where you want to keep your backup. Now you have to select backup over. Click on Wi-Fi or cellular. So these are the settings you have to make, and then you have to click on backup. Here you can see backing up, and your WhatsApp will start backing up your WhatsApp messages. So in the same way, you can also fix WhatsApp backup issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.